Why are you silent? First Lady challenged over Mubaiwa plight. First Lady Auxillia Mnangagwa has been challenged to intervene and help Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's estranged wife get the medical assistance. Described as critically ill by her doctors, Mubaiwa says she needs to go abroad for treatment. The former model is battling lymphedema and has been blocked by the courts from seeking medication abroad as she awaits trial on several criminal cases. Recently, doctors treating her recommended amputation of her right forearm. UK-based Restoration of Human Rights Organisation, ROHR, through its secretary, Vanai Mufara, appealed Auxilia, urging her to assist Mubaiwa. Said Mufara, why are you silent when Mary is being dragged through the courts despite being very ill, and all this is before the public's and your eyes? The mission of your foundation is to provide access to health care. Why are you not advocating for Mary to have access to medical treatment, either in Zimbabwe or outside the country? As Mother of the Nation, you are often referred to as the Angel of Hope, Mercy, and Peace. This is why we are appealing to you to intervene in this situation. Mufara added, where are you and why have you not tried to mediate and help resolve this issue? Your silence empowers perpetrators like Vice President Constantino Chiwenga to continue abusing women and children. Your silence divides us and leaves us vulnerable as your children as we fear the political elite. Is it not that you visibly care for women and children because you care for their well-being? How do you say you advocate for vulnerable women and children when you have Mary Chiwenga's situation unresolved? Mubaiwa was recently convicted of illegally attempting to upgrade her customary marriage to Chiwenga. She has 3 more pending court cases, including money laundering, attempted murder and fraud. The former model is also going through a messy divorce with the former Defense Forces chief.